welcome back to my channel. If you haven't joined me before, my name is Molly and I do weekly lunch and breakfast meal prepping. So check out some of my other videos if you haven't already done so. So this is this week's lunch meal prep video. This week we're going to have an egg roll in a bowl. So it'll be super healthy, keto, low carb this week, and our lunch will be ready to go in our meal prep containers, so we don't have to worry about what we're gonna have for lunch this week. So I will put the recipe for this in the description box if you wanna try this one out. And we're gonna cook up the ground turkey. We're gonna add, I have already ready coleslaw mix, so 2 bags of coleslaw mix, or you can chop up just a head of cabbage if you would like. For the sauce, it'll be a reduced sodium soy sauce, some minced up garlic, sesame oil. I have a ginger paste. It's already into a paste. It's delicious. And then I'm gonna drizzle the top with a sriracha sauce that I'm gonna make with sriracha and some plain Greek yogurt. So we will cook this all up. We will portion it into our meal prep containers and our lunch will be ready. So I'll take this over to the stove and we'll get it cooking. All right, I'm going to add 1 pound of ground turkey. You can use ground beef if you'd like, or ground chicken, or ground pork, whatever your preference is. So this week I'm going to use ground turkey. I'm going to break it up and brown all of the ground turkey until it's all the way cooked. All right, so the ground turkey is all cooked. I'm going to add a teaspoon of minced up garlic. So I'll cook this around with the ground turkey. All right, next is the coleslaw. I'm gonna just pour it into the pan. I'm gonna mix it together with the ground turkey. All right, next I'm going to add 1/2 cup of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of the ginger paste. So I'm going to mix this all together and cook the cabbage so that it's nice and soft. All right, so the cabbage is nice and soft. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to let it cool. Now I'm going to make the sriracha sauce that we'll put on top, and we'll portion it out into our meal prep containers. All right, so while the egg roll in a bowl is cooling, I'm gonna make a sriracha sauce with, I have 1 teaspoon of sriracha, and I have 3 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt. So I'm going to mix this together. You can add more sriracha if you like the taste of sriracha. All right, so now we'll portion out the egg roll in a bowl into our meal prep containers, and we'll add the sriracha sauce on top with also some green onion, and our lunch will be ready. All right, so the egg roll in a bowl has cooled, so I'm gonna portion it out. I'm gonna use 1 cup per container. All right, so I'm going to add a little bit of the sriracha sauce on top. And now some green onion. So our lunch will be ready. When we're ready to eat these, we'll just put them in the microwave for a minute and they'll be heated up and ready to go. So like I said, the recipe will be in the description box. So check that out if you want to make this recipe, and check out my other videos as well if you haven't already done so. I will see you next time. Click subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.